Hi there, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I want to talk to you today about a question I get from my Chapter 13 clients periodically, and that has to do with income tax refunds. Can I keep my income tax refund? And the way I would answer that is as follows. First of all, it's better if you don't have a tax refund. The reason for that is that when you have a tax refund, it means that you've overpaid your taxes, you're giving the government an interest-free loan, and you're going to get money back that's actually your money that you've not had access to for a year. It doesn't make really a lot of sense if you think about it. And of course, some people use tax refunds as sort of like a forced savings plan where they overpay and they get their money back at the end of the year, and that's kind of a bonus they use to pay bills and so forth. The problem with it is that when you file Chapter 13, you're supposed to include all of your disposable income into your budget. You're supposed to declare everything you have left over as part of your budget. So if you have a big tax refund, that means you've overpaid your taxes, have too much taken out, you've not declared everything into your budget. And so the trustee takes the position that in Chapter 13 in the Northern District of Georgia is that any tax refund needs to be paid to the Chapter 13 trustee, which again reflects money that otherwise would have been part of your budget and would have been part of your regular Chapter 13 payment. So as a general rule, the trustee is going to want to see that money, and usually that's going to be for at least 3 years of your Chapter 13, in most cases all 5 years. If it's a 100% plan, the trustee may not want it for all 5 years, but anything less than that, they're going to want that, and that's actually part of the language of your Chapter 13 plan. So having a tax refund, you're not going to be able to keep that money. Now, there are some exceptions to that. The best examples I can give you would be situations where you need the money to make a needed repair, let's say to get a new roof on your house, or you need new tires, something like that. In that situation, we could file a motion and ask the judge to allow us to keep some or all of a tax refund to make necessary repairs. Obviously, you don't want to do that every year. We don't want to go into court every year saying, we got this emergency this year, we got this emergency next year, and so forth. So you can maybe do that once or twice, but you don't want to do that every single year. So again, it is not something you want to have as tax refunds. You don't really want to have them in Chapter 13. It's something that you want to talk to your tax advisor about modifying your withholdings so you don't have them, so that, again, we don't have to deal with filing a motion to keep the refund. But as a general rule, any money in your tax refund is going to go to the Chapter 13 trustee. So I hope this has been helpful. Again, I'm Jonathan Ginsberg. I'm a Chapter 13 and Chapter 7 bankruptcy lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia. And any questions you got, I'm happy to help answer. So give me a call. Thanks a lot.